Hello and welcome to video number 12, I think, in this series of training series on how to set up a website. Now this is the last video for chapter 4. Now we only have one more chapter, I think, left. Now this is a very quick one. We've kind of done this before, but I wanted to just do it one more time because we've done menus. We've done menus here and there, yeah? But this isn't really a very good place to do the menus. So I'm going to show you a better place, and also as your menus develop, you'll find it easier to use this place rather than the customization. So here are the menus. But first of all, we need to do something else. For your blog to work well, it requires categories. And I mean, people really do different things for blogs. It's and websites, and it really is. It's up to you to do some trial and error before you and maybe think about what you actually want your blog to look like. I'm just deleting some categories while we're here. Technology, I might need that one. Let's leave that one. Cancel. We can't delete this one because it's the default one at the moment, so let's get rid of that one. And first of all, let me show you how we can make this default by, so you got, oh, hang on a minute, no, where is it? Oh, I can't, hang on. This is the parent company, parent category, just leave it like that. We'll update that. I'm not quite sure. I think I have to do it somewhere else, but I can't remember. Let's leave it. Oh, hang on. Maybe the quick edit. Nope. Cancel. Okay, let's leave it. It doesn't matter anyway. So let's just add a few more categories. So we've got technology. Let's say website, website building, and you just click add. It does the slug. It does it for you. Look, there it is. That's like the slug is the thing that goes up here, yeah, in the address. Let's do Google Analytics because I want to do a book about Google Analytics. I also want to do a book on search engine optimization. I also have a book on content. Creating content. Okay, so there you go. Let's leave it like that for the moment. All right, so let's go back to the menus, and there it is. Your menus, you go into appearance and they're actually in the appearance. So we've got two menus, haven't we? We've got the top menu, and if we click on that, it has the pages. Okay, and that should be fine. Let's just save that just to make sure. And then the main menu should just have the home. Okay, home is it's just a link. Okay, there's the link. So let's add some more things here. Now, first of all, let's just click open this. So this is our website as it looks now. So what I want to do is go down to categories, because those are what we created just now. View all, and we've got all of these. So let's select them all. I'm not actually sure I want technology. I think I'm going to get rid of that actually. So let's add them. Now you can move these around. So say you wanted to do alphabetical order. Well, that's actually done alphabetical order, isn't it? If you wanted to do the order in which you're publishing books, or for me, obviously, or maybe you do order in what you think people will be most interested in. So they'll be looking for that link first. So that's up to you. You can decide what to do. I'm just going to do it as alphabetical order. Now look, if we refresh this, look what happens. Absolutely nothing, because we didn't save the menu. So remember, you must save the menu, okay, if you want it to show up. Let's do it again, and now we have that. See, brilliant. And that's all you do. That's all I really want to show you. You can put anything you like in these menus, of course. I generally have pages for the top menu. As you know, this is the top menu here, and then my categories go here. Okay. Now if you're doing a plumbing website, you have a plumbing business, you might want to do stuff about your services here, for example, your different types of services. You might also want to write a blog, you know, to just say you know, to write stuff about your business, or to give people advice on how to fix stuff, like a dripping tap, for example. Let's put the blog in there. I'm going to put blog here at the bottom. Now don't be afraid, by the way, of doing that, because it's not like, just because I can watch a video on fixing a tap doesn't mean I'm going to do it myself. I might not have the tools, I might not have the confidence. By giving away information, you are much more likely to have people come to your business than if you just hold, you know, keep everything secret. You know, people don't like that. So don't be afraid to share information with people. And I'll show you what I mean, because in the end I'm going to be adding content, and you might have bought this ebook because of content on here, because I'm going to be sharing stuff from my ebook on here. And so let's just refresh this once more time, and here we've got the blog as well. So I'm going to use the blog here to drive traffic to here. Okay. All right, and that's it. Under 10 minutes. I'm always happy when that happens. So I'll leave it there, and that is the final video for this chapter. So thank you very much for watching. Well done. You did a very good job to get this far, and I'll speak to you again in the next video, which is about your plugins, and I think we're going to include widgets and a couple of other things. Certainly plugins and widgets are going to be in the next couple of videos. So I'll speak to you again soon. Bye bye.